my name's Phoenix and I'm working down here at Beatties, Collision, New Zealand. And this is just the car clips that I've been using for the last few years. Works pretty well and it's always easy to find something, and they usually come in the next day, so it's real handy and quick. The range of clips and bolts and bulbs and that is good. It's always what we need and it's not ever too far away. And yeah, it's easy to use, easy to access, and it's easy. Oh no, they're usually pretty good. Like, they're here a short time after they're ordered. And
the guys, it makes it easy for the guys because it's always here.
Yeah, they can always come and grab whatever they need and then order them later, so it's handy and good. A few of us boys have struggled just using the tablet and internet issues and whatnot, so we've decided to change over to just paper workshop forms. And then at the end of every day I'll go through and order everything the boys have written down, and it seems to be just a process that's working very well and easy to use.